open your preferred word processor, like OpenOffice or Microsoft Word. If you want to write your questions in Google Docs, you'll have to save your questions in another program to get the right coding. You'll want a new document for each category of questions. With Moodle, you can write your quiz in these programs and import them to Moodle, but to do this, you have to style your questions in a specific way. Remember that the documents have to be single-spaced, and do not put a title in the document. Instead, title it by naming the file when you save it. For a multiple-choice question, write out the question first. After that, and on a new line, make a left curly bracket. Next, you have to identify if the following answer is right or wrong. If the answer is right, use an equal sign. If it's incorrect, use a tilde, then type the answer. Then finish writing your answers on new lines, marking them as correct or incorrect with the equal sign or tilde. Once all of your answers are entered, finish with a right curly bracket. If you're making a true-false question, you can write out the question. In the line below, you can write left curly bracket, T, right curly bracket if the answer is true. Or left curly bracket, F, right curly bracket if the answer is false. After you've made all of the questions for that category, save the file as a plain text format with the UTF-8 encoding.